Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the epilepsy and seizure goal. To help the increase your knowledge of seizure, epilepsy, how to best support the student with epilepsy. Basic first aid procedure for seizures. A seizure is a brief temporary disturbance in the electrical activity of the brain and may affect muscle control and movement, speech, vision and or eye movement, awareness or behavior. Seizure can be convulsive or inconvulsive, vary in frequency and the severity. Sign of a seizure: extended blank stare, empty look in eyes, rapid blinking, eye rolling upward, period of the unresponsiveness, inability to pay attention, repetitive movement of body parts, usually head, arm, legs, uncontrollable jerky body movement, mouth movement with a dazed look, frothing at mouth. There are the loss of consciousness, loss of body control, dazed walking, temporary confusion. Seizure versus epilepsy. What is the difference? Seizures often symptoms of the another health problems, disease, fever, temporary medical, neurological or neurosurgical illness. After the person is treated, the seizures do not occur again. Epilepsy, a chronic series of seizures and can develop at any age. Seizures reoccur frequently and often without a known cause. Epilepsy, neurological disorders that make people susceptible to seizure, sometimes called a seizure disorder, can develop at any age. Seizures are the chronic, ongoing and frequent. Seizures can often happen without knowing cause. Many people with epilepsy experience more than one type of seizure. Why do seizures occur? Head injury, MAV, MVA sports, the accident falls, head trauma, birth injury, brain injury to fetus during pregnancy and birth, perinatal and the postnatal vascular accident, intracerebral injuries, tumor, strokes. Heredity are the inherent different degree of susceptibility to seizures, fever. There are metabolic disorders, infection, meningitis, viral encephalitis, measles, mumps, diphtheria. What can trigger a seizure? Stress, excessive excitement, stimulation, excessive fluid intake, extremely low blood sugar in diabetes, sunlight, heat, humidity, flickering the lights, skipping meals, and poor nutrition. Illness, fever, allergies, lack of sleep, withdrawal from medicines, illegal drug or alcohol, missed medication. Next is the types of seizure. Focal and generalized occur in the part of the brain, simple partial, complex partial, occur in whole brain, tonic, atonic, tonic clonic, myoclonic absence. There are the types of seizures. There are two types of seizures, that is the partial and generalized. Occur in the part of the brain is the simple and partial, complex partial, tonic, atonic, and the tonic clonic, myoclonic, and absence. In today's class, I discuss about the why the seizure occur, epilepsy, seizure versus epilepsy, sign of seizure, their goals. Thank you for watching.